Good day, ma'am. I am Carl J. Alquizar from BSBA FM1A. So let's talk about my virtue idol. My virtue idol is Jose Marie Borja Viceral, also known as Vice Ganda. Why him? Because he is so strong. One of his characteristics that makes him worthy of admiration is his ability to bring joy and laughter to people from all walks of life. He has a unique talent for using humor to uplift spirit and bring smile to his audience. Based on my research about his background, I have known that Vice Ganda was reportedly suffered from depression due to career issues and personal problems. Despite facing personal challenges and criticism, Vice Ganda remains resilient and continue to spread positivity through his comedy and entertainment. I idolize him also for being a generous person. As what I've seen on social media, Vice Ganda give money to the poor people. He also have a scholarship program and sponsored the wedding of two lovers who can't afford to get married. Because of him, I realized many things in life. Na not all people who smile are actually happy. Some of them are just pretending to be happy because they don't have a choice. At ayaw din nila na malaman ng nakararami na they suffered in that situation and that problem because they don't want to worry them. Kahit na mahirap na tumawa kapag nandun ka sa sitwasyon na durog ka na, wala kang choice kundi ngumiti na lang. Kasi kapag nakita nila na yung masayahing tao nag nagiging sad, parang masasabi nila na siguro may problema siya kasi ganun. In my part also, I don't want them to see me sad, to see me down, kasi if they see me sad, it makes them worried kasi overthink sila na siguro may problema siya ganun kasi napaka-happy niyang tao tapos nasa sad siya, naninibago ganun. So therefore, for me, I would just keep it for myself. I just smile and smile until na walang makahalata na nadadown ako, na sobrang durug na ako. Because of his motivational quotes, I am so very thankful that we have a television in our house. Kasi kapag nasasad ako, nililipat ko lang ng ibang channel para makita yung showtime, para maging masaya ako ulit, at para marinig ko yung mga motivational quotes ni Meme Vice. His charisma, wit, and dedication make him a role model for many, inspiring others, including me, to find happiness and humor even in the face of adversity. That's all, ma'am. Thank you. Good day again.